So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video, I will talk about JAC Daily Counseling 2021. As you also know, the registration has been started now. So here I will provide you all the detail that you need to know about this counseling. So here I will also talk about all the process step by step that you need to follow in order to do this counseling. And I will also talk about the documents that you need to have in order to do this counseling and schedule that you need to follow and the choice filling that is the most important thing. So, and I will also talk about the reservation criteria, eligibility criteria, and fee and refund, what you need to pay if you get any type of seat and how much fee you have to pay at the time of registration. So all those things I will talk in this video so that you can do your counseling in a better manner of JAC Counseling 2021. So if you're first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get all the update about this counseling regularly, because I will provide you all the update about this counseling, other entrance exam also, so that you can get very good college at lower rank also. So one more important information, that is if you need counseling guidance for JAC counseling or any other counseling including JOSA counseling, KCET, Comet K, all other counseling, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. Once you register with me, I will guide you for all the counseling starting from now till your admission is done. That is how you need to fill the choices, what are the decisions you have to take after each round till your admission is done. I will guide you, and after getting so many colleges, which college you have to choose, that also I will guide you so that you can get into the right college, so that you won't have to regret later after joining a wrong college. So if you want, you can contact me, because there can't be a general counseling for all the student, because different student have different type of expectation, different type of rank, different type of personal interest. So it needs a detailed discussion separately so that I can provide you all the guidance that you need to have during the counseling. So if you want, you can contact me anytime through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. So let's start this video. So here is the main point that you have to keep in your mind during the counseling, that is registration fee is 1500 that you have to pay at the time of registration, and it has been started from now itself, and it will continue for next 1 month, and you will get the seat with your JE rank. So it is very important, if you are from any part of India, you can do the registration for this counseling. You will be eligible. Of course there is some there is home state reservation, but you can get the seat at low rank also if you are from other state, because there is separate category reservation. So you can get the college at very low JE rank also, that I will talk later how much will be the cutoff that is expected for this year. So next is all student can participate, that I told you earlier, and no matter from which state you belong. And multiple counseling is very important, that I told you earlier also. Multiple, if your rank is less, then you have to do multiple counseling, so that you can maximize your chances of getting good college with good branch. So if you want, you can contact me anytime, so that I can provide you all the detail about all the counseling, because many students don't know about all type of counseling. I have already provided a video in which I have talked about, if the rank is low, then you should do all those counseling. You can check that video in the I button as well as in the description box also, so that you can know about those counseling also. So once you contact me, I will guide you for all those counseling. Once you register with me, then I will guide you from now till your admission is done. So next is total number of available seat is 6212, that is 6212 seat, that is across 5 colleges. Next is reservation will be 85% for Delhi region student, the student who belong from Delhi, or the student who have passed class 12 from Delhi region, then they will get the 85% reservation. So next that is cutoff fee placement. So for this I will provide you a separate video, that is the expected cutoff and the fee scholarship, what are the placement record for all college branch wise. So I will provide you that detail very soon in this channel only. So please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get that video very soon in this channel only. So now talk about the schedule that you need to follow and the admission fee that you need to pay getting a particular seat. So registration and choice filling will be done from 24th of September to 24th of the October, that is 1 month time you will have to do the registration. And if you miss the registration, you can register for the subsequent round also, but it is advisable to do the registration before first round. If you do this, you will maximize your chances of getting good branch. So next is phase 1, that is 4 round will be done in phase 1 counseling, that will start from 28th of October and it will be continued 4th of December. So you can check the detailed schedule, I provided sidewise, so you can check that also, and you can check the schedule on official website also. And phase 2, that is 2 round 5 and 6 will be done from 6th of September to 17th of the September. And a spot round schedule will be announced later. Once it is announced, I will try to inform you. There will be a spot round for sure, because last year also there was a spot round, that is multiple spot round. And a student can register before each round, that I told you earlier. If you miss the chance to register between 24th of September to 24th of October, you will be able to register after first round, after second round also. So next is seat acceptance fee will be 1,12,000. Suppose after first round you got a particular seat. So to confirm that seat you have to pay 1,12,000. If you not pay, then you will face consequences for that. That I will talk later. For failing in document or fee payment lead to seat cancellation. That means if you get a particular seat and you provided the document, if that will be not accepted, then your seat will be cancelled. If you not able to pay the fee, then also your seat will be not accepted. So what are the result in both the situation, I will talk later in this video. So here is the reservation and eligibility criteria. So minimum marks for general candidate will be 60 for all college other than IIT Delhi, and for IIT Delhi will be 70%. And for OBC or defense quota student, 55% for all college and 65 for IIT Delhi. And for SC/ST and PWD candidate, 50 and 60, that is all and IIT Delhi. So these are the minimum marks that you need to have in class 12 or equivalent examination in order to get the seat through JAC Delhi counseling. So next, if you talk about the reservation, for SC 15% seat will be reserved, ST 7.5%, EWS 10%, OBC 27%, and for defense and PWD quota 5% from respective category. So I would like to tell you in detail, that is 85% seat is reserved for home state student. That is from those 85%, 15% will be reserved for SC and 7.5 for ST and so on. And similarly, it is applicable for other state 15% seat also. So and also for defense quota and PWD quota, that is if a student from general EWS PWD, then 5% seat from the general EWS seat will be reserved for those candidates. So this is about the reservation and the eligibility. So next, if you talk about seat conversion rule, that will be applicable from a spot round. Once the spot round conducted, then there will be seat conversion. Particular category seat will be vacant, then those seat will be considered for next category. What are those? Now I would like to inform you that is, if the defense or PWD seat will be vacant, then it will be converted to respective category. Suppose general EWS categories, general EWS PWD seat will be vacant, then that seat will be considered for the general EWS candidate from a spot round. So this is the rule of the conversion. So now if you talk about ST, then if the ST seat will be vacant, then it will be converted to SC, and if the SC/ST both seat will be vacant, then it will be converted to general. And similar for OBC and EWS, it will also converted to general. And for Delhi region and outside Delhi region, if Delhi region seat will be vacant, then it will be considered for the outside Delhi region, and if outside Delhi region seat will be vacant, then it will be considered for Delhi region. So try to listen it carefully so that you will not have any type of confusion. And once you contact me for the counseling guidance, I will try to provide you all the details separately so that you can do your counseling in a better manner. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box anytime. Next is DTU have 2500 seat, that is 2529. DTUW have 876 seat, IIT Delhi have 480 seat, NSUT have 1876 seat, and DSEU have 414 seat. This is the data of this year, that is the current, and there is increment in seat of some branches that I will provide you a separate video so that you can expect what are the chances for you after the increment of the number of seat. So next, if you talk about document and condition, this is the very important information that I am going to provide you. Please try to listen it very carefully, because otherwise you will have so much confusion during the counseling. So document required at the time of registration, you can see the sidewise I have provided you the document that you need to have at the time of registration. And before confirming, check the detail again, because once you confirm the detail, you will not able to change that. So before confirming the registration detail, you can change it anytime. And choice filling and rearrangement, this is the very important information that I am going to provide you. That is, choice filling can't be same for all the student, because different student have different type of expectation, different type of rank, different type of personal interest. So all those things require detailed discussion. So once you contact me, I will try to provide you all those detail according to your expectations so that you can fill the choices. And after filling, you can rearrange also until the first round, and after first round also you can after the allotment you can again rearrange the choices after second round also. So all those things need to have a detailed discussion. Without experience it is not possible, because last year I have seen many students did mistakes. So it is very advisable to take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number anytime so that I can guide you once you register with me for all the counseling, not only JAC Delhi but other counseling also, including JEE Main, JOSA counseling. The next process is seat allotment. You will get the seat allotment after each round. You have to make a decision whether you have to we have to quit the counseling, you don't want to take the admission, or you want to take the admission, that is the final, you don't want to go further. And third one is just want to take this seat, and you want to wait for the upgradation in the next round. So these are the three decisions you have to take, and what decision you have to take that also have an important impact on the counseling. So that also I will provide you once you contact me, so that you can take the right decision, so that you will have the maximum chances of getting the best college on your rank. And after that, after getting that seat, if you want to take the admission, you have to report, that is online. Online you have to report to the allotted college, and there the formality of the counseling will be done. Next, if you talk about seat allotted but fee not paid, so if you got the seat and if you didn't pay the fee, then you will be not considered for the seat allotment in first 4 rounds. Suppose if you get the seat after first round and you didn't pay the fee, then you will not get any type of allotment second, third or fourth. Of course, you will have to register again for the phase 2. Then you will be eligible for the allotment in 5th round, 6th round, and thereafter a spot round. So next, seat allotted, fee paid but document rejected. If your document is rejected, suppose if you provided OBC certificate, it is rejected, then you will be considered as general candidate, or you can provide the different OBC certificates at the specified time. If that will be accepted, then you will be considered for that category from next round. Otherwise, you will be treated as general candidate from next round, and you will get the seat in the next round, that is from second round, third round also. You don't need to worry if your certificate will be rejected. You can provide the new one, or you can be treated as general candidate. So next, if you talk about criteria for subsequent round participation, so once you get any type of seat, and you have paid the fee, you will be eligible for the next round. And next round also, if you get any seat, you can go for the third round without paying any type of fee. So first time payment is very important. Once you get seat, if you not pay, then you will be not be eligible for the subsequent round in phase 1. Of course, you can register for the phase 2 again. So this is the information regarding the JAC Delhi Counseling 2021, but I will try to provide you other information also, such as scholarship that you can get, and the fee of different colleges, and the average package, highest package, that is the placement record of each college. And most importantly, I will provide you the expected cutoff for each branch of each college for this year JAC counseling, so that you can estimate yourself which type of college with which branch you are going to get in this year JAC Delhi Counseling 2021. So please try to subscribe the channel, so that you will get all the update about this counseling and other counseling also, so that you can get the good college at low rank also, because I will provide you all other counseling detail regularly in this channel only. And one more time, I would like to inform you that if you need the counseling guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box anytime, so that I can guide you for all the counseling starting from now till your admission is done, so that you will get the best out of your rank after getting so many colleges option, because you will do JOSA counseling, JAC Delhi counseling, other counseling also. So in which college you should join, which college you should not join, which branch you should take and which not. So all those things I will discuss with you, so that you can get into the right college, and you will not have to regret after joining a wrong college this year. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe.